Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sketch Kakashi easily. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental head shape. First, draw a basic circle, then add a horizontal line for the eye level and a vertical line for symmetry. Next, define the jawline and chin, making sure to keep the proportions balanced. This initial framework is crucial for a successful sketch. Now, let's add Kakashi's iconic features. Carefully sketch the mask, ensuring it covers the lower half of his face, leaving only one eye visible. Next, draw his distinctive spiky hair, which typically flows towards the left side. Don't forget to place the Konoha headband over his left eye, making sure it conceals the Sharingan. These elements truly bring his character to life. Moving on to the finer details, focus on drawing Kakashi's visible eye. Give it a calm, observant expression, and then add his signature scar extending from the corner of that eye. Refine the edges of his mask, adding subtle folds to suggest fabric. A touch of light shading can enhance the depth and realism of these facial features, making your sketch more dynamic. For the final touches, carefully erase all your initial construction lines, leaving only the refined sketch. Go over your main outlines with darker, more confident lines to add definition and strength. Apply consistent shading to create volume and depth, paying attention to light sources. Finally, add highlights to key areas for contrast, bringing your Kakashi sketch to a polished finish. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.